And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Roger Stona and Stona Ricketts were the toast of the night as they copped the prestigious National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year honors at the R.J.R. Gleaner Sports Foundation and National Sports Awards gala held on Friday at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in Kingston. Jermaine Brown reports.
Hailed as another outstanding staging of the event, the 64th R.J.R. Gleaner Sports Foundation National Sports Awards did not throw up too many surprises on a night where Roger Stona and Stona Ricketts walked away with the prestigious National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year honors at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel.
The R.J.R. Gleaner Sports Foundation National Sportswoman of the Year 2024 is Stona Ricketts.
Ricketts, who has been Jamaica's most consistent field event athlete for almost a decade, finally got her hands on the Sportswoman of the Year title after an outstanding 2024, which saw her winning silver at the Olympic Games in Paris. Ricketts leapt 14.87 meters to finish second in the triple jump and ended the year ranked third in the world.
Thank you. It feels wonderful. As you said, I've been nominated a number of times, but to come out on top tonight, I'm truly grateful. To be honored at home, it's always a pleasure because when we go out there to compete, it's all about representing Jamaica. So when we get honored at home, it truly warms my heart.
Olympic 400-meter hurdles finalist Russell Clayton was runner-up to Ricketts. His Jamaica Stona says he's grateful to be among some of Jamaica's greats who have won the Sportsman of the Year award. Stona threw an Olympic record of 70 meters to capture gold in the men's discus at the Paris Olympic Games, becoming the first Jamaican to do so.
It's definitely a great accomplishment for myself. I said it earlier. This is a prestigious award. You have a lot of legends. So if I'm amongst those names, that means myself is either becoming one or I will be right now or whatever it is. But it's definitely a great accomplishment, and I just look forward to what the future holds with it.
Olympic 100-meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson was runner-up to the Sportsman of the Year. Chairman of the selection committee, Mike Fennell, reflected on the winners of this year's National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year awards.
When you have a single gold medal winner at the World Olympics, that stands out above everything else. You realize, of course, that the excitement also with Kishane, with that very tight finish that he had, but a gold medal is a gold medal, way above, and the award is based on performance and the results that you get, not emotion. The women was a little closer, but still a clear winner based on the performances. The World Olympics is the top event in the world every 4 years, and when you have medal winners at that stage, it's clear. But as you quite rightly said, we look at everything and have a proper balance and selection process.
Meanwhile, Stona's Olympic gold medal throw won the People's Choice Award. The MVP Track Club became the first institutional recipient of the iconic award for their contribution to the sport of track and field with the production of multiple track and field stars. The chairman's award was presented to G.C. Foster College, while Alana Reid, who won gold in the 100 meters and anchored Jamaica to gold in the sprint relay at the World Under-20 Championships, copped the National Youth Award. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Jermaine.